For examples 9 and 10, we again want to generate the equation of a line, given some information about the equation. And in example 9, what we're given is, or what we're told, is that we want to find the equation of a line with a slope of 6/5 and a y-intercept of 0, -6. This is information presented in a different format, but if we pay close attention to what we're being provided with, we're being given the slope and we're being given the y-intercept. So without doing any work, the way this information is presented, we can go ahead and write the equation for this line in slope-intercept form as y equals 6/5 times x minus 6. Because we know that value for b represents the y-coordinate of our y-intercept, and the slope was just given to us. Example 10 is a little bit trickier because we are given the slope in this case of 2/9, but we're not given the y-intercept. We're just given a point that the line passes through. To start off, we'll write out the information that we do know, which is, if we want to write our equation slope-intercept form, that we can write our equation as y equals 2/9, since that's the slope, times x plus some unknown value b. So we don't have that piece of information. It wasn't given to us as directly as it was in example 9, but we do know a point that our line passes through, meaning we have an x and a y coordinate that are solutions to this equation. That means we can plug those x and y values into the equation that we have and solve for that value b that's unknown. So in place of y, we'll substitute in 16, and we'll set that equal to 2/9 times our x value of 27 plus b. On the left-hand side, we have 16 is equal to 2/9 times 27 will end up becoming 6 plus this unknown value b. And what we need to do is solve for that unknown value. Now we've substituted in for x and y and reduced a little bit. So we'll subtract 6 from both sides to isolate b on one side of the equation by itself. And we'll be left with 16 minus 6, or 10, is equal to b. So we started off with the slope of the line, but b still is an unknown. We plugged in the xy pair that we know have to be a solution to our equation. That left b as our only unknown, which we just solved for, meaning we now know our equation in slope-intercept form would be y equals 2/9 times x plus 10.